Good morning, student. Yes, today we will start exercise 1.1. It is part 4 of first chapter. Now the first question is the temperature in Churu is measured in degree centigrade at different time and represented on number line. Okay, in Churu there is the temperature in degree centigrade at different times. Okay, so we can see here it is a number line, and it is we can see temperatures written minus 10 degree centigrade, minus 5 degree centigrade, 0 degree, 5 degree, 10 degree and 15 degree centigrade at different time. That means at 26 January minus 10 degree centigrade, 25 December, 25 February and 25 March. Okay, first question, the temperature of Churu on following dates from the above number line. Okay, now here is we given some times, or according to that we have to find the temperature from this number line. On 26 January, on 26 January we can see here it is a 26 January, and what is the temperature? Minus 10 degree centigrade. Okay, what is the answer of first question? 26 January, what is the temperature? Minus 10 degree centigrade. Okay, second is 25 December. 25 December, on the number line we can see that what is the temperature? Minus 5 degree centigrade. So what is answer? Minus 5 degree centigrade. Now next is 25th February. 25th February we can see what is the temperature? 5 degree centigrade. Okay, on 25th March we can see that 20 degree centigrade. Here we have 20 degree centigrade. Okay, the answer is 20 degree centigrade. Now the second part of this question, what is the difference in the temperature between the hottest and coldest day? Hottest, we can see that here is the hottest day is 25th March, and coldest, because minus 10 degrees centigrade is below than 0 degree centigrade. So coldest time is 26 January, hottest time is 25th January. So we have to find the difference between both. So the first is the temperature on 25th March. 25th March we can see temperature is 20 degree centigrade. The temperature on 26 January. 26 January we can see minus 10 degree centigrade. Okay, difference between hottest and coldest place. Okay, so we will find the difference. The hottest place is 20 degree centigrade. A difference, we have to write the sign of difference, and the coldest place is minus 10 degree centigrade. We can see that minus is plus, so it will become 10 degrees centigrade. 20 plus 10, 30 degrees centigrade. So what is the answer? 30 degrees centigrade. The difference between hottest and coldest day is 30 degrees centigrade. Okay, now the third part of this question, the temperature of 26 January is how much less than the temperature of 25th February? Less than, because here it is we can see the language is less than, so we have to find the difference. Okay, the temperature on 25th February. Okay, 25th February, what is the temperature? You can see 5 degrees centigrade. Okay, the temperature on 26 January. 26 January you can see minus 10. 26 January, the temperature on 26 January we can see minus 10 degrees centigrade. Okay, so we have to find the difference. First we will write 5 degrees centigrade. Difference, we have to write the sign of minus and minus 10 degrees centigrade. Okay, here same minus plus 10 degrees centigrade. We will get answer 15 degrees centigrade. Okay. Yes, fourth part of the first question, can we say that the sum of temperature on 25th December and 25 February is higher than the temperature on 26 January? Okay, the temperature, first we find the sum of the temperature on 25th February and 25th December. Okay, we here write sum of temperature on 25th December and 25th February. Okay, from the number line you can see here it is minus 5 degree centigrade plus 5 degree centigrade, plus minus we will get 0 degree centigrade. And we will compare the temperature with 26 January. So the temperature on 26 January is equals to minus 10 degrees centigrade. Okay, you can see which one is less. From 0 degree centigrade and minus 10 degree centigrade, this number is less than the 0 degree centigrade. So answer is yes. So we can see that yes, we can say that the sum of the temperature on 25th December and 25th February is higher than the temperature on 26th January. The answer is yes. Okay, now the next question is second question. Sheila deposited 5,000 in post office and withdrew 3,700 after 1 month. If the amount withdrawn is represented in the form of negative number, then how will we represent the deposited amount? And what is the amount after withdraw? First we will write the deposited amount. How much amount Sheila deposited? You can see here 5,000 rupees. Okay. And how much amount Sheila withdraw? You can write here 3,700 rupees. Okay. Left amount, what will be the amount will be left in account? We will subtract both. 5,000 rupees minus 3,700 rupees. We will get answer 1,300 rupees. We will find the difference both because here is the left amount, so it will be always positive. Okay. Now the question we will solve. Solve the following question. Minus 4 minus 3. Minus 4 because plus minus minus 3. We will get minus minus plus 7. But the sign will be negative because greater value is negative. So answer will be negative. Now the second part of this question. 15 minus 8 plus minus minus. Okay. 15. Minus minus plus. What is the sum of 8 and 9? 17. But the sign will be negative because greater values has negative sign, so answer will have negative sign. Okay. Minus 17 plus 15 we will get 2, but result will be negative because greater value have negative sign. That's why. Now the third part of this question. 400 plus minus minus, so minus 1,000 plus minus minus 500. Okay. Minus minus plus, so first we will plus both the values. We will get minus 1,500. Why? Because minus minus plus, but the sign will be always for greater value. So 400 minus 1,500, how much we will get? You can see 1,100. Sign will be negative. Okay. These two questions is for homework. Question fourth part and fifth part. Thank you. Have a nice day.